Good morning everyone, welcome to my channel. Natalia here with you, and we have unboxing today review of diamond painting. Now I put up a big fight to actually open. I just want to show you this kind of packaging with this design came. It was wrapped also in a black bag and wrapped very tight into the wrapping sticky tape. It took me a while to open, so definitely good packing. And I believe this design came from Sunature Diamond Art. I cannot see the name in here yet, but I believe that's the company we're going to review today. So at the title you will see, I did not open yet. I don't have a name in here of the brand. They put sticker. I'm kind of sad they have to tear apart in here to open, unfortunately. But let's see, the name of the company, I believe it's going to be on a canvas, if that's the brand I'm talking about. And lots of beautiful diamonds. So let me open Peekaboo just to make sure we've reviewed correct website and no mistakes. Let's see, no. Okay, hold on, let me just open to make sure it's the one I need. Yes, it is. Okay, so it is from Sunature Diamond Art, diamond painting. They always have this protective foam inside, which is really nice, not gonna get squished, and shipped very nicely. You can see this is a velvet fabric, velvet canvas, and it will like resistant to the wrinkles, doesn't have glue damage if it's get accidentally squished. So I like it. And before we start to see what I will review for you, first I want to show you, if you missed my video unboxing, if you missed my video diamond paint together, I am working on this gorgeous design. I'm just gonna open a little bit this beautiful, pretty, magical fairy. I don't know who she is, but I did some progress in here on the bottom. This is the one that everybody absolutely fell in love with, because this design is fully with diamonds, of fairy dust diamonds. Look at this placement, my friends. Look how beautiful they click together. No popping drills, no spaces between. It is gorgeous. So if you missed my video diamond paint together, please join me on my YouTube channel, and we're going to work more on this till we finish. I'm super excited to finish this one. This is full coverage of fairy dust diamonds. Absolutely gorgeous. So this time I ordered something else to try it. This time, yeah, it's also square diamonds, but this one have AB diamonds. And no, AB diamonds doesn't have a full coverage of AB, only selective numbers. So we will find out how many numbers we have in here. First, also we have in here toolkit, with lots of bags, which we don't really need the bags, to be honest, because our diamonds already all in a Ziploc bags. But look at this generosity, they still put extra bag in here. I don't think I have extra bag last time. No, I don't think I did. We have a 2 big square of wax, medium size tray, grippy, very handy to hold your just nice to hold in your hands when you have a trouble with your fingers. This definitely will help you if you have arthritis. This extra grip make it soft enough to hold it for you. So we have a 1 placer, 6 placer. I think this one is a 8 or 10 placer. No, I don't know, it doesn't have a number in here. I don't see a number. Maybe 10 placer. I'm not sure. Entry placer. This placer, I don't really care about them because with square diamonds I always use one placer only. And the cheap version of this tweezers. That's our toolkit. Now, okay, we might need a tray to see some AB diamonds. I'm super happy about fairy dust diamonds, so they're AB diamonds, probably as gorgeous as could be. So let me show you what kind of design. There's a picture in here, and I see a few diamonds sneaking in here, so I'm not sure if some of the bag is open or maybe this is just a sneak while they were packing. Kind of stuck to the glue in here, diamonds. Could be just an extra, but I want to show you actual picture in here first. What we are going to review, it's going to be no surprise for you because you know how much I love magical mushrooms houses, and look how gorgeous this picture is. Love it. I think I saw somewhere this design in cross stitch even. That would be amazing as well. So today we have a diamond painting of magical mushroom house. I will get the, if they have a correct name for this design, I will put in the description box under my video. Also, there will be up there name of the website link. It will be up there Facebook group and links and everything else, whatever information important, I will post under the video. So please make sure to check it out. Look at this. I know who is going to fall in love with this design. That is my lovely Jane. Not the Jane, Jenny. Jenny, because, well, Jane probably as well, but Jenny, she is the same lover of the mushrooms as much as I do. That's why we have lots of mushroom designs in cross stitch. Here is their Facebook group actually in here. But I will post links. They provided for me links to post for you under the video, so I will do that. Symbol wise, let's see. Oh, maybe this picture is more bright and colorful. I love it. I love it. And here is the symbol. Like the glue layer they have on their canvases is absolutely amazingly sticky. It's a thick layer of the glue and diamonds just melt into it. So amazing to work with. And let me see, like a darker area, even darker area. See, that's what I'm talking about. When you have a brown colors, the ink of the symbols must be lighter, and they did that in here. I see that some brown symbols, I mean background, have a nicely white color of the symbol print, but not everywhere. I see in here some darker spot, and they do have a darker, but I think the visibility not bad in here. Obviously we're very close to the camera zoom, so if you have a light pad, that will definitely help. We have in here like two opening, which probably going to be very comfortable the way I do. I usually start from the bottom and go up, so this area not going to be open, just open one and just finish this one section and then jump. I like to do cross-country diamond paint, so it's like I grab one color and just go all the way. This way I can do also cross-country, but just to finish this portion first. So I don't know, this picture itself kind of not very visible because it's a pixel. Still you place your diamonds, but this area isn't gonna be gorgeous. The colors in here should be amazing, especially with AB. So let me turn towards me, and yeah, like I mentioned before, they have a very little edge in here of the canvas, but the picture is the actual picture size, which is gorgeous, and you will, you know, you pay money what you get for, or you get for what you pay for. I would say this way will be correct to say, because this is actual size, 60 by 60 centimeters square, and we have in here 56 colors. 56 colors. It doesn't have in here, not showing me where exactly the AB colors. Usually other brand have like, they put them on an end, and kind of you can see where they are. In here I don't see yet, so let me grab these diamonds. And I see so far in here AB. I have a in white color, in very dark color, blue. I'm picking all the AB first, and looks like it's a good amount in here. So 4 colors, 5, 6, oh wow, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is there more? No, I think, wow, 10 colors. That's a lot of colors of AB diamonds. I think that's so. I don't see any more. So we're going to look this one a little bit later. Well, basically I can dump them all in here so we can see them. But I want to show you AB diamonds. So we have 2 colors of orange, darker and brighter. We have 1 yellow. We have 2 pinks, kinda pink and darker shades. We have white and dark, could be black, no, it could be black, could be dark brown, not sure what kind of color that is. Oh, number 54, I'm gonna tell you, it's a 3371, so it's like a very dark brown color, which will be showing AB top layer very nicely and bright. Blue and 2 reds. This one more like a coral and bright red. So would you like to see some on a tray? Let's go for darker first, because this one is always showing the best of the AB layer on the top. Oh, I love this moments. I love this moments. I'm going to zoom a little bit close so we can stay away from the shady area under the canvas. I mean, under the camera. Look at this beauty. Green, blue, purplish, dark blue color kind of hint, and depends on the light, the way you turn. So pretty, very pretty. Okay, let's check it out, the pink one. Okay, this pink one, bright pink. Okay, I want to see this one. I highly recommend you get at least 1 diamond painting from this brand to see. Hopefully these diamonds clicking nice as the other one, because it's also square. I did not wanted to order in round diamonds yet, because round diamonds always click nicely together because they have a more room between each other. It's the square one diamond that we have to be kind of careful sometimes. Look at so many shades of colors you can see in here. Just trying to figure out how to get close. The more close we get, it's getting off the focus. Hold on, let me zoom out all the way and then bring you. Then we have a little bit shadow. from, oh, okay, this way. The shine is good. All this you can see, even purple and gold, yellow, so many shades. It is so pretty, so pretty. How about we're going to look one more color, because there's never enough of this shine, you know. I love it so much. I want to see this beautiful orange. Such a bright color. I would 100% get another one of fairy dust in full coverage. Wow, I can see pink, gold, yellow, green. So gorgeous. So gorgeous. Do we see all the colors? It's so amazing how close we can get. Oh, shadow getting a little bit. That is so pretty. 10 colors, I did not expect that. It says on the website from, I think it says from 5 to 10, but I didn't think it would be 10. I was expecting like at least, you know, 5, maybe 6 colors. So it definitely depends maybe on a design. They have a different amount of colors. 10, this is maximum, is absolutely stunning, absolutely stunning. Yeah, that's gorgeous. All the shine. Let's see. Sparkle. They always kind of trying to flip to another side a little bit, but yes. So yeah, that's a good amount of diamonds. And then look at this, all these colors. Oh, this is so pretty. One of my favorite colors. Look at this. How gorgeous. The purples in here. Look at this yellow, orange, big bag of green. Diamonds looks really nice. When we finish the other one, we're definitely going to try something else. It's beautiful, beautiful, very pretty. Well, my friends, thank you so much. My apologies, my camera stopped recording. And I just wanted to say thank you for stopping by today at my channel to see this beautiful diamond painting. When I finish the one with the fairy dust in full coverage, I definitely would love to try some different kind, like this one, for example. It is 60 by 60. It's a big design, but the quality is amazing. So we will still be working on this design because diamonds is gorgeous, placements are gorgeous, and they are so sparkle on the sun. Kind of hard to see through the camera, but when you look in it with your own eyes, it's just so pretty. So hopefully these diamonds work same way, because you know this is fairy dust, it's a special diamonds, could be placement different than this regular square diamonds. So I would love to finish this one first and then try the other one. But I mean, if they created such a perfect placement on that one design, I'm sure this one going to be as good as the other one. Very happy with this brand. I love it, my new favorite. So definitely I recommend for you to get it. At least one diamond painting to try it, and you will see how amazing this is. All right, my friends, the link is not affiliate or anything. Just a click on it will take you to the website, and happy shopping, my friends. You will not regret. I will see you tomorrow with something new.